back. I've got my head back from the machine shop. They checked if they were straight, and they were straight, but they didn't take any chance, and they machined it just a tiny bit, for being sure. For now, I'm waiting for the gasket, the head gasket. I will install the same as it was installed first. So it was a MLS Cometic gasket, but this time I will shoot I think it's called a Cooper spray on both sides of the gasket before installing it on the block. So if there is a little tiny imperfection, it will be better. I will put a link in the description of what I will use. Anyway, I will do a video for when I will install my head. Also, my turbo, the wastegate hole of the turbo was enlarged a little bit. Instead of 900,000 of an inch, now it's a little bit over 1 inch. So this should lower the low boost that was extremely high. The low boost was 26 pounds. I could not lower it more than the 26. In fact, 26 it was the wastegate hole was almost sorry. The wastegate puck wasn't touching the turbo, so there's supposed to be like maybe 5 pounds of boost, but the low boost was 26 pounds. So I hope this will be enough. I will test the car without the wastegate puck installed to the actuator and see what is the actual low boost, and we'll see after that. If I have to enlarge the hole again, I will. If not, I will let it like that, depend of the low boost. So that's I will check just before I reinstall everything. I will install the turbo on the downpipe and see if the puck, if there is still room to enlarge the hole. Okay, the turbo is just installed temporarily, as you can see on the downpipe. I will see from the exhaust, from the exhaust is underneath, if the puck is closing correctly. It's not easy to see, but I think it's okay. I think it's the best I can do. It seems that the puck is closing the hole completely. There's no the puck is closing the hole completely. I hope I can see more. I will try with a little more. I use a chalk to mark the turbo and as you can see, the puck is closing completely, but there's still room to grind the turbo on the top, just right there. But the problem is it will be hard to grind all this metal really thick. Not sure I will be able to grind more. Anyway, I will try it like that and see after. So next step, it will be to rebuild the turbo, reinstall it, please, instead. Just reinstalling the outside on the turbo. Really easy to do. Only 6 bolt here, just to make sure everything is aligned perfectly for not damaging the turbine, and that's it. I did a little mark when I remove it for being sure to reinstall it exactly where it was. So that's it for today. When I will receive my head gasket, I will start assembling the head on the engine, and I will make the video. But like I said in my last video, this will be my first time doing this, so I have no idea how many time it will take. Also, I had the ERP bolt, but instead I bought a set of stud. See, if I'm correct, the max torque for the bolt is 70 pounds, and for the stud is 80 pounds. So it's 80 pounds more, and from what I read, you can torque way better the stud than the bolt, because the bolt can twist during the torquing. So if you torque it at 70 pounds, it's not guaranteeing that they are exactly at 70 pounds. With the stud, it's more likely that it will be at 70 pounds. So stay tuned for the next video. I can't wait to try reinstalling my head myself. So take care. Bye.